Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send messages on X, that is Twitter. So the first thing is open up your X app. Then once you open up to the home page, next thing you're going to do is you want to search for the person you want to send a message to by tapping on the search bar at the bottom. The next thing I want to BOD. So it says person I want to send a message to, tap on the person's name. And now over here you can see this message icon, which means you can send a message to this person's DM. Tapping on it, and then you start your message. You can send picture, GIF, audio, and you can type your message. Now sometimes sometimes you will not see the message icon there, which means that you cannot DM that person. The person has turned off their DM, or it's only turned on to verified users. So you have to be a verified user before you can DM that particular person. So that's it. That is how to send messages on X or Twitter. If you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.